Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make peanut butter at home chocolate flavor. Start by measuring 2 cups of peanuts and sorting out any skins or debris, then roast or use pre-roasted nuts for deeper flavor. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa, a pinch of salt, and a tablespoon of neutral oil while processing. Blend until creamy, tasting and adjusting sweetness, and jar it for storage in the fridge or pantry. Begin with properly roasted peanuts and allow them to cool just enough so they are safe to handle. Pulse several times to break them down into coarse crumbs, then run the processor continuously, scraping the sides as needed. While the machine runs, add unsweetened cocoa powder, a touch of neutral oil, and your chosen sweetener to balance bitterness. Keep blending until the mixture transforms into glossy, spreadable chocolate peanut butter with the texture you prefer. Taste as you go and tweak the chocolate intensity with more cocoa or a little melted dark chocolate for richness. For smoother spreads, add tiny amounts of oil until it flows, or keep it thick for scooping. Transfer into sterilized jars while warm to reduce condensation, label with the date, and refrigerate. Always use a dry utensil when serving to keep it fresh, and enjoy on toast, in smoothies, or straight from the jar.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.